Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm down to my last container of turmeric and ginger, and as you can see we've been down in the 30s the last few mornings. So these guys are done. I need to get them out of here because these same beds have got to be holding cabbage and cauliflower here. I need to get them in the ground quickly. So today's video is harvesting in Georgia in the second week in November, right before Thanksgiving. We're going to be harvesting ginger and turmeric. So let's get it set up. Alright, first thing we want to do, get this top growth down. I don't know why I only ended up with one container. Usually I do 3 or 4. And I only have one this time for some reason. I don't know if the critters got them or the weather got them, or I don't know. But there's only one. We use a lot more garlic and turmeric than this will grow. One container. Doesn't matter how much comes out of it. Okay. Let's get the irrigation out of it. Over. See if we can pull it. Wow. Fresh ginger. Fresh ginger has a lemony smell that is just mind-boggling. Yeah, that one broke. That's a beauty right there. Oh, I love the smell of it. Got a lot more turmeric than ginger, even though there were more ginger plants. But it looks like the turmeric kind of took over the space. But that's alright, it's all going to get used. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Doing my, I don't know why it was such a small, just one section. But got a decent harvest. We're happy with it. Thank you for watching. I know most people say store them dirty, but I just don't understand storing stuff dirty. You got to dry it anyway. Might as well dry it clean. And stuff like the turmeric, I mean, it's a real job to get in here and get it clean. And then if you dry it, then it's all stuck, dried and whatnot. Just makes it harder to use. We got an old dog with pretty much serious arthritis. He's ancient, and turmeric's supposed to help with the inflammation. Seems like he does better with it. So, since we grow it, it doesn't cost anything. Even if you buy it, it's cheap. So, it doesn't cost anything to try. If it helps him, that's great. If it doesn't, nothing wasted. I'm going to keep washing this off rather than waste your time watching me do it. We'll be back when we get finished. All right. Here it is, pretty well washed off. Now I could take and let it sit out and let it dry. Then it's ready to go. We'll just store it, use it as we need it. You just break off a piece. Wow. That's just, oh, so nice. So this will last us a while. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. The ginger and turmeric harvest second week in November in Georgia, of all places. Thank you for watching.